Hi, last week I announced the start of my 30-day sprint to prepare for the ISACA Advanced in AI Risk AAIR certification and committed to sharing my journey and insight with you all. I'm also excited to share that Don Tibbs, a fellow applicant from Kangaroo Land, Australia, who created a signal group to facilitate cooperation and study support among candidates. I expect he will be sharing that link very soon. As part of my commitment to share content, here is the breakdown of Domain 1, AI Risk Governance and Framework Integration, specifically focusing on Part A, AI Models, Frameworks, and Strategies. To succeed in this domain, you must move beyond being a technical manager and adapt to specialized roles. First, the Strategic Translator. You must articulate complex technical risks like model drift or data poisoning into clear business impacts such as financial loss, legal liability, and reputational damage. And second, the Architect. You are responsible for designing the business's capacity for responsible innovation from the ground up, ensuring that security and ethical checks are foundational components of every AI initiative. To master Domain 1, Part A requires a deep understanding of the AI landscape, including types of AI, differentiating AI based on functionality, reactive, limited memory, and capabilities ranging from artificial narrow intelligence to artificial superintelligence. Modern architects understanding nuances of generative models, agentic AI, highly autonomous systems, and predictive models, grasping the differences between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, as well as neural networks. The curriculum is heavily aligned with global standards that define the how of AI risk management. NIST AI Risk Management Framework. This is the core resource for learning to govern, map, measure, and manage AI risk effectively. EU Artificial Intelligence Act. This establishes risk-based requirements focusing on high-risk applications like credit scoring or hiring, and mandating transparency and accountability. Familiarity with recurring principles like transparency, fairness, and safety is essential to building digital trust. And strategic alignment. AI should never be a solution-first approach. It must be aligned with the organization's vision and mission. Case strategy tasks include build versus buy decisions, evaluating whether to develop in-house or procure third-party solutions while managing the unique risks of AI as a service. AI model inventory, creating a central living record of all AI systems to prevent the emergence of shadow AI. ROI and value impact, analyzing the return on investments and business value while identifying potential negative externalities. Think of Domain 1 as the phase where you establish the modern city planning rules for the AI revolution. You aren't just building a single structure. The zoning laws, governance, and safety codes, frameworks that ensure the entire ecosystem remains secure as it expands. Stay tuned as I dive into the AI lifecycle next.